dialogue. They say that if you want to feel important, just call some more intelligent people than you to the room and you will automatically become important. So that's what I've done. This is a very, very informal evening, and this is an evening where I wanted to celebrate life. I wanted to meet people. I wanted to some nice hugs. I wanted to feel humbled. I wanted to feel arrogant. I wanted to feel confident. And that can only happen when you see faces who love you despite years pass by, whatever happens. In fact, it was so wonderful to see all of you right now. सब लोग आ रहे थे, एक एक करके सब गले लग रहे थे. ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये एक प्यार का एक पूरा समुंदर, एक सागर जो है, वो एक साथ इस किताब की दुकान में, और ये किताब की दुकान में हो सकता है हमेश जी. किताब की ही दुकानों में ऐसा हो सकता है कि इसमें यादें भी होती हैं, इसमें जिज्ञासा भी होती है, इसमें इंस्पिरेशन भी होती है, इसमें पास्ट भी होता है, इसमें प्रेजेंट भी होता है, इसमें फ्यूचर भी होता है. और इन सब चीज़ों का मिश्रण जब बनता है तो उनसे एक ही चीज़ बनती है, उनसे यादें बनती हैं. और मेरे हिसाब से ज़िंदगी जो है वो यादों का एक पुलिंदा है, यादों का एक गुलदस्ता है. और ये वो गुलदस्ता है जिसके फूल कभी मुरझाते नहीं हैं. यादों के फूल मुरझाते नहीं हैं, यादें तो ताज़ा रहती हैं, कभी से भी शुरू कर दो. जब मैं पैदा हुआ था, जब मैं स्कूल में था, जब मैं वो जो शिमला की जो वादियों में जब मेरी माँ छोटी थी, उन पहाड़ों में चलना, वो पुराने कभी होंगे ही नहीं. उसकी वो चीड़ के पेड़ की जो खुशबू है और जो छाँव है, जो छाँव पड़ती थी, वो मेरे भी अभी भी मेरे जहन में वो वैसी ही है जैसी तब पड़ती थी. सो अब आप सोचेंगे कि मतलब मैं किताब किस बेस पे लिखता हूँ. मेरी ज़िंदगी में कभी मैंने 38% से ज़्यादा मार्क्स लिए ही नहीं. फिर मैंने सोचा कैसे मैं इसको एक अच्छा इवेंट बनाऊँ. तो मैंने कहा अमीश जी की, त्रिपाठी जी ने अपनी अभी किताब का कवर लॉन्च करा है चेन्नई में. किसने लॉन्च किया है? रजनीकांत जी ने. सिर्फ पर्दा हटाया है. दूसरा कवर किसने? मणिरत्नम जी ने. मैंने कहा पहले तो इनको बुलाओ so that people take me seriously. And he's always so sweet. आते ही इन्होंने आया और इन्होंने अपनी रील का भी वो दिखाया, कमाल की, जल्दी से रील भी डाल दी. दूसरा, मैं हमेशा ये आज ही मैं किसी को अपने प्ले में एक लाइन बोलता हूँ जो शुरुआत में जब मैं बोलता था तो मुझे इसलिए बोलता था क्योंकि मुझे लगता था ये लाइन बड़ी अच्छी है. फिरोज खान साहब ने लिखी थी मेरे प्ले में, कुछ भी हो सकता है, विच इज़ माई ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल प्ले. मैं ज़िंदगी में अपने 4 लोगों को याद करता हूँ. द प्लेज अबाउट माई फेलियर्स एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा. तो यश चोपड़ा जी ने मुझे क्या सिखाया, या उनका मेरे जीवन में क्या योगदान था, किरण का मेरे जीवन में क्या योगदान था, सुभाष घई साहब का. फिर उसमें भट्ट साहब के बारे में एक लाइन आती है जो मैं बहुत सालों तक इसलिए बोलता रहा क्योंकि उस लाइन के बाद हमेशा ताली पड़ती थी. वो लाइन थी, इफ लाइफ इज अ बैटल फील्ड ऑफ कुरुक्षेत्र and me the questioning Arjun, Mahesh Bhatt is my Krishna. तो पर आप पिछले 10-15 साल से मैं जेन्युइनली बोलता हूँ और मैं भूलता ही नहीं हूँ. ये लाइन मैं भूलता नहीं. इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट लाइन बिकॉज इसमें काफ़ी कॉनोटेशंस हैं और इसमें क्या है. फिर मैंने कहा कि अब मैं बातचीत करने के लिए किसको बुलाऊँ. तो मेरे दोस्त मिस्टर बमन ईरानी, we started late in life as friends. But I think I'm a strong man because he's in my life. Then there are so many people, Bharti, Bhavna, Jyoti. You are the people whose lines added to my career somewhere or the other. I'll tell you something very interesting. My father used to hide something in a संदूक. संदूक समझते हैं सब लोग. तो संदूक में वो रखते थे कि ये नहीं किसी को खोलने दूंगा, कभी भी नहीं. सब हम सोचते थे कि भाई इसमें क्या रखते हो. सो आफ्टर ही पास्ड अवे वी डिसाइडेड वेदर वी शुड ओपन दिस संदूक और वी शुड नॉट ओपन दिस संदूक, बिकॉज शायद उनकी मर्जी नहीं थी कि हम ये संदूक खोलें. पर माँ ने कहा कि नहीं, इसको तो खोलना पड़ेगा, मैं देखती हूँ इसमें क्या होता था। शक 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 जो था वो था। तो जब हमने वो संदूक खोला, उसमें मेरे सारे रिव्यूज, मायापुरी की कहानियाँ, सच्ची कहानियाँ, आपके रिव्यूज, बुरी पिक्चरों के भी रिव्यूज, वो भी नीचे अंडरलाइन होता था, अनुपम खेर, ज्योति वेंकटेश, अनुपम खेर ने बहुत बुरा काम किया, अच्छा कर सकता था, मगर नाम होता था। So when life is so simple, which it is, then it is easy to write. Because as I said it in my invite, that this is not a book about knowledge, this is a book about life. So when I was making this film Tanvi the Great, I did not make a film for 23 years because I didn't have anything to share. And then somehow, and as luck would, और मेरे साथ जब भी किताब मैंने लिखी है, वो ऐसे मुकाम पर आई है, मेरी पहली किताब, मतलब यहाँ बैठ के कैन यू इमेजिन, मैं इस समय अमीश जी से ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट महसूस कर रहा हूँ। ये मेरी अलग अलग किताबें यहाँ पड़ी हुई हैं। ये भाई साहब बेस्ट सेलर, और ये स्टिकर नहीं है, ये चिपका हुआ है। क्या बात कर रहे हो? तो the first book that I wrote was in 2011, which came out of this necessity to feel, in this world we are made to feel that somebody else is doing better than you. Constantly. Somebody has more followers than you, somebody is doing better than you. So where do I draw my strength from? So I discovered that I can draw my strength from within my own self. And I wrote this book, and thanks to Mr. Ashok Chopra, my publisher, Hay House, he wrote, and the book's name is The Best Thing About You Is You. Strangely, the book became a bestseller. So my father was alive at that time. I said, Papa, ये तो bestseller बन गई। तो उन्होंने कहा, अल्लाह मेहरबान तो गधेड़ा पहलवान है। Then my autobiography, and then during COVID, सरदार जी बैठ जाइए। During COVID, I wrote this book, Your Best Days Today. उसका जो है, it's dedicated to mom, because unknowingly माँ बाप, दोस्त, भाई, अनपढ़ लोग जो आपके चाचे ताए होते हैं, वो आपको कुछ सिखाते हैं। तो मेरी माँ, because we were very poor, मेरी माँ मुझे शिमला में हमारे घर के 4-5 मिनट की दूरी पर एक स्कूल था, म्यूनसिपल स्कूल था, और उधर छोड़ते वक्त बोलती थी, और तो कुछ था नहीं, तो कश्मीरी में बोलती थी, चोन अजुक दोचु सार निको जान, कि तेरा आज का डे बेस्ट डे है, योर बेस्ट डे इज टुडे। तो मुझे लगता था कि अब मैं पढ़ाई में अच्छा हूँ या नहीं हूँ, मैं खेल कूद में अच्छा हूँ, माँ ने तो बोला तेरा बेस्ट डे है, तो मुझे पता ही नहीं लगता था कि दिन बुरा होता था। तो ये सब चीज़ें हुई। सो व्हेन दिस द मनी, दिस पर्सन डिड नॉट, thanks to him, because if he had given me money, maybe my writers Ankur and Abhishek, I said, मेरा दिल कर रहा है मैं इस किताब को लिखूं कि how this film almost did not get made, and there's always stories about it. I remember when I met Bhatt साहब, इन्होंने अर्थ फिल्म बनाई थी, बिक नहीं रही थी, ढूंढ रहे थे लोग। हमने खोसला के घोंसले की प्रोड्यूसर हमारे यहाँ हैं, 3 साल 3.5 साल पड़ी हुई थी, वेडनेसडे 3.5 साल पड़ी हुई थी। So I started writing because I needed strength more than money to write and to make the film, and that's how this book came out. And today it is the strongest thing that I have done in my life. And there is no way about saying, मैं थोड़ा लंबा बोल रहा हूँ, बमन, I'll just finish it in 2 minutes. You're preparing your questions, and I'm making you.
बमन साहब ने 15-20 एक्सप्रेशन यहाँ पे खड़े-खड़े
दे दिए। He is sending me such horrible vibes from there. बस कर। नहीं, I just feel that इतने लोगों के साथ इतना दिनों बाद मिलना मुश्किल होता है। तो thank you भट्ट साहब, thank you Anish, Shivani, thank you everybody who has come here. What we'll do is have to start with Mr. Bhatt Saab to say a few things, and then Amish ji will say a few things. Obviously अच्छी बातें ही बोलेंगे, इसीलिए बुलाया है। एंड उसके बाद हम बुक अनवेल करेंगे एंड देन वी विल हैव ए मिस्टर ईरानी इफ ही इज लेफ्ट विद एनी क्वेश्चंस he will have a conversation with me and then everybody who's anybody or nobody will come and take a picture with me. There are people who are involved in the book. There is Rohit who is our the designer of the costumes, amazing. कौसर मुनीर जी जिन्होंने इस फिल्म के हमारे गाने लिखे हैं. हम एक परिवार बन गए. ये कोई फिल्म आपको नहीं दे सकती है कि आप जिंदगी भर के लिए परिवार बन जाते हैं. वो सिर्फ आपको तन्वी द ग्रेट जैसी फिल्म ही दे सकती है बिकॉज द बेसिस ऑफ तन्वी द ग्रेट इज प्योरिटी, एब्सोल्यूट प्योरिटी. ऐसी रोमी जाफरी, अशोक पंडे, ऐसी गजराज, मैंने गजराज जी के साथ काम ही नहीं किया कभी. मैं जब इनको बुलाता हूँ ये आ जाते हैं और इतने प्यार से आते हैं. आनंद देसाई का सीन कट गया मेरी फिल्म में, वो भी आ जाते हैं यहाँ पर. 2 दिन के लिए आए थे. वरुण our marketing genius is here. So today everybody has not come with a portfolio. They have come with pure love which stems out from a film like Tanvi the Great. Thank you. No, but sir, we will have to come.
Where do you begin to tell the story of a person you met when he was 28 and who was as thirsty as he is today? He has a kind of thirst that doesn't seem to be quenched ever. The higher he climbs, the thirstier he gets.
The moment Bhatt starts talking, I don't know why I get tears today. I will try my acting capabilities to not cry.
So the thirstier he gets. This morning when he spoke to me, he said there was something that you said about Tanvi, which gave me the bounce which I needed. Because when you give everything that you have and more, and the desire to keep on giving more, you exhaust yourself. As they say, oh my soul, do not look for the immortal, but exhaust the limits of the possible. He has exhausted the limits of the possible. And but when I just keep on wondering that, has he stopped? No, he's not stopped. He just keeps going. So you have a living miracle here. He's an ordinary person who has come from Shivra, who had made an entry hesitantly, not asking for anything but a piece of the pie, and today he has crossed overseas. He wines and dines with Robert De Niro, the icon of ours, and he is one of the rarest persons who's got a rave letter from De Niro for Tanvi the Great. It's indeed a phenomenal feat. I was telling this child that look, in a society which all the time aims for the top of the ladder, it's imperative that we create people who touch the heart, the depths of the nation. Tanvi touches the depths. It stands by the most vulnerable child who says, I exist. My existence does not seek any explanation. It is there and I'm there. And I'm not going to let you look at me with your inadequate measures that you have been brainwashed with. And then she goes back into the stream of life. And I think it's an extraordinary, because it requires courage. Not only in terms of ideation, but in terms of what he has poured into it and keeps on pouring. And to have an event like this, when you feel so vulnerable and so frail. And one of the greatest strengths of this kid, I'm going to call him a kid because he's 28, and I was 34, but he's still a kid, is his vulnerability. And I don't know of any other attribute of courage apart from vulnerability. A person who cannot be vulnerable cannot be courageous. Courage requires vulnerability. Otherwise you can deaden yourself and make an armor around you and not let life touch you. So Anupam, here I'm proud of you. I'm proud that what we began a journey with has landed this moment where I can wholeheartedly claim that I'm proud that I've contributed some way in your journey, and I think your flight has just begun.
I'm a storyteller, and I have to tell you what an honor it is to be sharing the stage with two men who created one of the finest moments in storytelling, which I saw when I was young in Saransh, when you were arguing with that government officer कि मैं अपने बेटे की अस्थियां ले सकता हूँ कि नहीं. As a viewer and now as a storyteller, in my mind, that was one of the finest moments in storytelling that I've ever seen. Applause for these two geniuses. What can one say about Anupam Ji? You know, he's an author. Look, there are those who acquire knowledge through a lot of reading. Gyan Yog ke path par hai. And there are those who acquire wisdom by simply living. What in the traditional Indian way could be spoken of as Karma Yoga or Bhakti Yoga. मेरी धर्मपत्नी शिवानी यहाँ पे हैं, वो मुझे कह रही थी कि अनुपम जी से मिलते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि इतने बड़े इंसान हैं, इतने बड़े आदमी हैं, लेकिन इतनी विनम्रता है, इतनी उदारता है, इतना प्रेम है. You truly are someone who lives life to the fullest and lives it with warmth, love, which is actually among the greatest paths to wisdom. And why I love this book and what is in the book, and he says something in it which is so beguilingly simple and yet very deep. And among the deepest things are actually simple. Where he says you must listen to the GPS that truly matters, which is your heart. And here is a man who follows that GPS. We live in an age which is the age of reason. You know, there's this cult. Everything should be driven by the brain. Everything should be thought through. We suppress the heart, which makes life terrible, actually. And you don't just guide people on that, you live that. You're an example of that. As Mahatma Gandhi said, I'm paraphrasing him, that your life should be your message. You are the message through how you've lived. I'm a big fan of his books, big fan of his movies, obviously. Check out this book, Anupam Ji at his finest.
We have a we will, after this conversation, Shubhangi, who plays Tanvi in the film, who is given it is her Saransh, according to me. And I hope after 40 years, if people like Bhatt Sahab and Anish and Pankaj and everybody will say such things to you, मेरा जीवन सफल हो जाए, जैसे भट्ट साहब हमेशा बोलते हैं. So, but I will request my friend and the gentleman who is sitting there, and please come on stage and ask me anything that you want to ask. Okay, please, Baman Irani, my friend.
Okay, I'm saying this very emotionally, but I can't hide back my tears. Not because of you, gentlemen, but because I'm fed up of this guy. I really am fed up. About a year and a half ago, he comes to my house and tells me the story of Tanvi the Great. And Before I get into that, I want to tell you about the little monologue that he said right at the start. I've heard that monologue about 84 times. At every breakfast, at every meal, at every time he's visited me. But I love it every single time. So, I like to pull your leg because I love you. But having said that, he comes to my house and he tells me the synopsis of Tanvi the Great. We have some exchanges. And then we make the film, lands down. I'm going to put this out right at the start. He doesn't pay us. You're supposed to laugh, not be emotional about it. Because we were all in for the ride. Because we knew where his heart was taking him, and in turn taking all of us along that ride and along that journey. However, when the film got made, we were expecting a release, but he said, "Tayar ho jao, Cannes ja rahe hain, Cannes." We have variety के cover पे हम लोग. Okay. We went to Cannes. Then I'm returning to Mumbai and he said, नहीं, कल मत जाना, परसों जाना. परसों मतलब हम लंदन जाएंगे यहाँ से. फिर हम लंदन गए. लंदन में स्क्रीन किया. नहीं, अभी मुंबई मत जा. यहाँ से हम न्यूयॉर्क जा रहे हैं. To meet Bob. Now who the hell is Bob? Bob is for him. For us it is Mr. Robert De Niro, right? फिर वहाँ से ह्यूस्टन जाएंगे. वहाँ से कहाँ गए? ऑस्टिन गए. फिर हिंदुस्तान आए. And then we went and did a screening for at Khadakwasla at the NDA. Resounding applause, standing ovations. And then we went to Delhi to meet the president. Can you imagine? Look at this journey of what this film has done, not just for him, but for all of us. Went to the Northern Command, the Southern Command, the Western Command, and of course the command that he has in his house, which is his darling wife, came and finally saw the film here at NMACC at the Grand Hall, and what a grand evening that was. Having said that, Tanvi the Great, by its definition, is meant to be a kind of an art house film, which is supposed to be released conservatively in a few, or maybe not even in theaters, straight for OTT, right? But no, in his head, nothing inside of his head is small. The only thing small is the way you look at what you create. The moment you start thinking of it as big, it is big for the world. And that's what Tanvi the Great, and the belief that he had while writing it, while executing it, while finding money to produce it, finding money to travel the world with it. Who has the guts to do something like that? Who has the guts to do something? It's bloody scary. And then, why did I say I'm fed up? Why did we have to have this event now? Ye ho gaya na? But we are here simply because we don't want this legacy of Tanvi the Great even 20 years from now. My darling, this kid, you all will have this conversation and thank this man for what he's offered you, like Mr. Bhatt Saab did for him. It's the same thing. We keep this legacy on because we cannot shut up. We cannot shut this man up. We cannot shut this man up, so I'm going to ask you a question. No, let's stand. Because you made me stand for half an hour there. Understand?
I apologize.
Bloody hell. Now the question is, since you have spoken for half an hour without being asked a question, what is the question I'm supposed to ask you? Tell me. That's the question. What do I ask you? But I do have a few questions up my sleeve. All these people, including, you said Gajraj is here. Gajraj, where are you, darling? Don't run away, yeah? It's just begun. 2 hours we'll be spent. 2 घंटे बात करने का. Don't go. We love that man. And the reason why everybody over here is Jyoti Venkatesh. He roasted you 2 minutes ago. Shot over his father's shoulder. He banged you up. No problem. What I'm trying to say is, when do you sleep, first of all? He doesn't. It doesn't let us sleep either. But the idea behind this book is how this movie never got made. Right? Yeah. Tell us a little more about it and give me a chance to ask a second question also. Go ahead.
You see, this is how you feel dwarfed in front of somebody like him, literally.
He's blushing. Can you believe it? What?
I was trying to give you an intelligent answer, then I said I better give an answer, that's it. No, I just, you know that when this story came to me, when Tanvi's Masi is here and Nani is here, Mom is here, मैं सोचा था मैं क्या बनाऊँ, मैं क्या बनाऊँ मैं, क्योंकि पिछले 20 साल से 25 साल से मेरी एक ज़िंदगी की फिलॉसफी बनती जा रही है कि यार मैं हमेशा सोचता था अच्छा होना इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, अमीर होना, सक्सेसफुल होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, बट धीरे धीरे मुझे लगने लगा कि अच्छा होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लगने लगा, क्योंकि अच्छा जो होता है तो आदमी हल्का महसूस करता है, कोई बोझ नहीं सर पर होता। तो जब ये फिल्म आई और जब मैं वॉक करता हूँ तो मैं as you said rightly that the canvas was very big in my mind because it was about an autistic girl who thinks big, who does not see small things, because that's what Tanvi told me when I asked her. I said, Tanvi, what are you looking at? She said, I'm looking at my world. So when an autistic person tells you I'm looking at your world, how can you make her world smaller? So it had to have a bigger world, and also it had army in it. And army is much bigger than anything else. And then unfortunately, the person who was going to give us 50% of the money said that I cannot do it. And we were supposed to leave within the next 1 month for Lansdowne. Everybody was fixed.
Right.
Everybody was fixed. And I told Herman D'Souza, who is my co-producer, and I said, he said, postpone करते हैं. I said, ये आज अगर postpone हो गई ना, तो ये कभी नहीं बनेगी. दूसरी बात, मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि जब मुझे कोई किसी चीज़ के लिए रोकने की कोशिश करता है, मुझे पता है अब तो ये होके रहेगी. तो that's how it happened. That's how it started. Nobody in the unit knew what was happening every evening for the next day's shooting.
We were fed well.
Huh?
We were fed well.
Yeah, we were fed well, we ate well, and this was the most amazing 70 days of my entire 40 years of life. 70 most unique, amazing days of my life, and we made it. We made it, and we went to all the places. I said, I want to put a pedestal, this film to start from wherever the 4 places that you said. So, अगर आप हार के बारे में ना सोचो, तो सब चीज जीत में बदलती है. सब चीज. हार जो है ना, वो हमको मीडियोकर बनाती है. मैं हार के बारे में सोचता हूँ, तो हम मीडियोकर. अब हार के बाद में सोचो नहीं तो आप जीते हुए हो. कोई दुनिया की ताकत आपको नहीं रोक सकती है. और ये मैं बातें नहीं कर रहा, मुझे आप खुद ही बोला है. ये मैं महसूस करता हूँ. आपने फिल्म बनाई, आपने मुझे दिखाई 3-4 बार, आप आ जाओ, नाश्ता नडोबिया बड़ा अच्छा नाश्ता देगी, ये खाना खिलाएगी. हम वो लोग हैं. आप पापड़ बनाते, अपना ये वेफर्स बनाते थे अमन. ये बंदा वेफर्स बनाता था दुकानदार में. मैं सड़क पे घूमता था. हमसे ज्यादा ताकतवर कौन इस इंडस्ट्री में? कोई है ही नहीं. कौन हो सकता है हमसे ज्यादा ताकत? हमने कहाँ से शुरुआत की है, और हम एक दूसरे की सक्सेस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
And that's why I'm here, because I'm free. And I genuinely feel that, you know, in true, genuine friendships, if you are not allowed to pull each other's legs, then you can't call each other friends. You can't. So allow me to tease you a little more. Let me ask you another question. Is that how do you differentiate? What is the distinction between a film that has made lots of money and a film that is good, on the road to being remembered for years and years and years?
So there are about 250 people sitting here. If I ask them, tell me your best 3 films, none of them will talk about the films which made crores. They will talk about the film which impacted their heart, their mind. I still remember Jaagte Raho. I still remember Do Aankhein Baaran Haath. I can still remember Upkar, Dil Ek Mandir, Ram Aur Sham. मुझे तो पता ही नहीं इन लोगों ने कितने पैसे. That does not mean that people who make money, we need money because then we can make more money, because money gives you employment and all those things. Those are technical answers. But Van Gogh, the great writer, the great painter, died pauper. उसकी कोई पेंटिंग नहीं बिकी थी, मगर आज उसकी एक लाइन खिंची हुई के भी हजारों अरबों रुपए आते हैं, बिकॉज आर्ट कैन नॉट बी पुट इन टू मनी, एंड आर्ट इज समथिंग विच डील विद हार्ट. मैं आर्ट को समझता नहीं, मैं सिर्फ हार्ट को समझता हूँ. So I think that's what is important. And maybe it is coming across maybe that we are being defensive कि हमारी.
Not at all.
I'm not. I'm the most happy person today. आज मुझे किसी ने मैसेज भेजा अमेरिका अपना लंदन.
Bob.
नहीं लंदन से मैसेज भेजा. सुनिए ये तो मैंने आपको बताया नहीं था. This is somebody, there's a lady who knows us.
Of course, lady, yeah, of course.
Oh come on. लंदन. No, one sec. देखो, because ये तो प्लान नहीं हो सकता. मीनल हमारी दोस्त हैं. She was there at.
Right, she was there.
इसने मुझे मैसेज भेजा, अनुपम, keep thinking I should reach out to you, but don't want you to think I feel sorry for you. I don't, but sometimes we just need to talk to get it out of our system, etc., etc., etc. So this is at 6:30 in the morning. So I was got up. So this is the message at 6:30 in the morning. I sent it.
My dearest Meenal, my darling, first of all, I am at the top of the world. In my career of 40 years, I have treated failure as a stepping stone to success. So please don't feel sorry for me. I know this is your love, but don't, because I don't feel sorry for me. What I've achieved with this film, no other person could achieve for another 100,000 years. So, don't imagine things. And I'm not trying to be brave. I appreciate your concern and your love and everything. But don't make yourself sad. I'm very, very happy and thrilled. I'm launching my book today. I have my 4th book on life coaching. I can't be writing motivational life coaching book or books and not follow them in my real life. So chill.
You know, I have to say they're lovely words, but when you're using a bedroom voice, don't use the word chill.
I'm a Hindi medium guy.
Okay, chill. But you know, I have to say, I'm at a loss for words. I mean,
You're in a bookshop. You will be a loss of words.
Yeah. I want to say, are there people you'd like to thank? Because I think in the journey you've been very generous with the fact that you've taken people along and thanked a lot of people who have supported you, not financially, but emotionally. Would you like the people in the auditorium, people sitting at home, people who are fed up of coming for all your functions? Come on, if I can't pull his leg, I don't have a brother. Allow me to do this.
I'm like a bad habit. You can get rid of a good habit, you can't get rid of a bad habit.
But please, I'd like to use this opportunity to acknowledge the presence of besides Bhatt Sahab, of course, you know, there's no question about his influence in your life. Every time we meet and every time he speaks and the passion with which he speaks, I sit up and want to be more erudite, want to be more learned, want to know a little more about what it takes to be a great director. You are, you know, indirectly through him, you are a great influence in my life too, sir. You really are. So,
I feel that मैं क्या बताऊं, मुझे तो सबसे सीखने को मिलता है. यहाँ दत्तू है, मेरा पिछले 40 साल से मेरे साथ है.
let's call him on stage. Come on.
Come
on, Dattu. Datta Samant, आइए.
ये दत्ता सामंत है. मेरी माँ मुझसे पूछती है कि तू बड़ौदा जा रहा है, दत्तू साथ जा रहा है ना? He's become a pain because he has become. We did not realize that he's with me for 40 years. So he's also getting older, so he's getting fixed in his ideas. So he wants to finish his job before I am on to the first job. Suppose I'm wearing my shirt, मैंने पहला बटन बंद किया, ये पैंट लेके खड़ा हो जाता है. मुझे इसको बोलना पड़ता, बट तू 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 पहन ले। परसों इसने मेरे को रात को फोन, वी जस्ट केम बैक फ्रॉम नासिक, मुझे रात को फोन करता, सामान पैक कर दिया, कल आप जा रहे हो। मैंने कहा कहाँ जा रहा हूँ? नहीं जा नहीं रहे। मैंने कहा नहीं, कहते मैं तो पैक कर दिया,
अब जाओ।
अब जाओ। So what I'm trying to say, acknowledgement is not only, thank you Dattu, वरना बेहोश हो जाएगा इतनी देर तक स्टेज पे रहेगा। Even my publisher Ashok Chopra was my first person who interviewed me for a Blitz magazine के last page के लिए। ख्वाजा अहमद अब्बास रिव्यूज लिखते थे, एंड अशोक चोपड़ा एंड राघव, थैंक यू राघव फॉर कमिंग हियर, वो ये लिखते थे। मुझे लाइफ जो है वो फिल्म की तरह याद रहती है, सीन की तरह याद रहती है, खुशबू की तरह याद रहती है। यहाँ इतने सारे लोग हैं, मैं कितने कितने लोगों को, रूमी जी हैं, रूमी जी हमारे कितने अच्छे, कितना हमने काम किया। अशोक इज लाइक अ फैमिली, माय ट्रेनर इज हियर, माय ऑल दिस पीपल।
Your trainer is here?
Yes. Deepa. Yeah, Deepa has not come for
Deepa,
long.
you're here?
Mr. Shastri is there. I used Mr. Shastri's hairstyle to you for the hairstyle of Colonel Raina.
You could have done better.
So for all these people, even the people who from the media are my friends. अब मैं इनको, ये मेरे लिए कैमरे के पीछे खड़े हुए लोग नहीं हैं, मेरे लिए ये शख्सियतें हैं। आज मैंने इनको बोला, मैंने कहा बहुत फ्रेश लग रहे हो। आज इन्होंने मेरे साथ 30 साल में पहली बार फोटो खिंचाई, just because I told him you are looking fresh. So I think if you notice people, you become richer. Gajendra is here, everybody is there. I think Bharti कितना हमने कितना, अतिका ने मुझे बोला कि मैं आना चाहती हूँ, आई हैं सब।
You came without an invitation.
नहीं,
Some guts you got, man.
पंकज के साथ मैंने फिल्म की थी पीछा करो, चालबाज, मतलब it's I he came to my place. You know, he was the first person to sign me with 2.5 rupees in Delhi, in Bombay. Listen to it.
Did he get his money's worth?
No. So he came to me. I was in Prithvi Theatre, and this is I had just come 4 or 5 days into the city, and he was sitting there. He says, "आपका कुछ होगा, ये ले 2 रुपया, 2 रुपया 50 पैसे." And then 6 months back, he came to my office. He said, "यार मैं कुछ बनाना चाहता हूँ." मैंने अपना डब्बा खोला, मैंने कहा ये ले 21,000 रुपया, तेरा साइनिंग अमाउंट ऑलरेडी जा चुका है।
क्या बात है।
So I think that's the relationship that we had.
Would you want to say something about me now?
Now you know why I got Baman to have this conversation. मतलब कहाँ मैंने, by the way, we are promoting this book today. It is written by me. He is an anchor today here.
Sorry.
Who is supposed to talk about my book?
I only spoke about you.
Yeah, I know. But this is Baman Irani, the best man in a wedding. And yeah, I think.
Are you not entertained? Tell me.
Yeah,
Are you
sure.
entertained or not?
You can only do that. You can only do that like that, Baman. Thank you so much. मुझे कहते हैं आज कि टाई नहीं पहनूंगा तो चलेगा। मैंने कहा मतलब आपको चलेगा।
See, I'm a Parsi, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor. It's emotional. I try to cover up my emotion with humor. I think you've seen through that now. Because I cry easily too. And the reason why I'm emotional is simply because I'm proud to be your friend.
Thank you. My brother is here. Raju is here. He's always a silent man there, standing somewhere, looking at things that are going. Two people who I want to introduce is one is Ankur. Ankur is Ankur Suman. He was the co-writer with me on Tanvi and also helped me shaping this book. Abhishek, I don't think has come here. What I will do now is there is a small chapter how Tanvi got selected in the film. There's a chapter in the book. Would you like to read that? Please come. Come. नहीं मुझे मैंने इसको कल बोला पढ़ लेना तो कहती पढ़ना ही है तो इसमें रिहर्सल क्या करना है। शुभांगी, I'm very proud of you. Not many actors, and this I'm not saying is as a director of your film. This I'm saying as your teacher, as a person who is a gold medalist from a drama school, as a person who is running an acting school for the last 20 years. very, very few actresses anywhere in the world can do what you have done as an actor in this film.
Hello everyone. Hello sir. First of all, मैं 1/9 1/10 भी नहीं कर सकती जो आप लोग यहाँ पे करते हो and everything, and I'm always so awestruck and starstruck when I'm around all of you. And अभी भी यहाँ पे बैठना ही is a very big deal in itself. वहाँ पे महेश सर के बाजू में बैठना, यहाँ पे I'm to be directed by you sir. You know sir, I know मैं हमेशा आपको बोलती हूँ that I have always seen you in every movie. You're a great actor. आपके साथ काम करने मिला, you're a great director. But I think above all, you're a great human being. And everything and all of us are so proud of the fact that we are just associated with now Anupam Kher, that we come under your prodigy. So I think that's a very, very big blessing and the biggest reward I can ever get in my life. ये मेरा पहला सारांश है. ये even after 50 years, even if I'm 40% of what you are, I think that's my Oscar. So this is a huge, huge blessing. My family keeps telling me, तूने इतने महान लोगों के साथ काम किया है, तू दुनिया घूम के आ गई है, तू प्रेसिडेंट जी से मिल ली है. So I think they are very proud of me, and I think I have made it just by being directed by you, by being my mentor, and by sharing the screen and everything.
What is the one word that Mr. De Niro told you on the phone when he saw the whole film?
Terrific. He said you've done a terrific job, so.
Bob. Hi, Bob.
Anupam Kher, different but no less. My gut feeling had already told me Shubhangi was the one, but my mind was conditioned to act like a righteous bureaucrat. So while I did test a few others, I kept increasing the test levels for Shubhangi without ever letting her know what it was for. She would come up with her own interpretations, add her 2 bits to the given brief, and send me the video recordings. Occasionally, I showed her videos to my writers and Herman. All of us were impressed by her dedication and commitment. However, the body language of my writers, and it was even confirmed by them later, indicated they were only half convinced by my choice. This wasn't entirely unexpected, as early on, even they had suggested a few established, or rather, experienced actresses whom they believed were powerhouse performers and best suited for the role. However, I was searching for an actress who was more suitable than the most suitable one, and I had found her. And then, on 16th February 2024, when the camera finally rolled for Tanvi the Great and Shubhangi appeared in front of it for the very first time, she blew us away. She floored us. Mouths fell open and jaws dropped. And as she would soon come to realize, that moment was just the tip of the iceberg. But the truth is that the real hero of the shoot was Shubhangi. She had become the ladli bachchi, beloved girl of the entire crew. Not once did anyone see her flustered or under any kind of pressure, even before the most demanding scenes. And trust me, there were many, both emotionally as well as physically. She would come prepared on the set with every line etched into her heart, ready to blossom on cue, much to the joy of her director. Mentoring is a selfless responsibility that demands more from the mentor than from the one being mentored. I truly believe her DNA would have matched with that of Tanvi Raina if she existed in real life.
Now I'm going to get one person to read, and then we will be opening. And he's Aman D'Souza. He's neither an actor nor is he. And there is a chapter. to first say something? No, so when I told him that I want you to read a chapter about the production part of it, I thought he will say, "Nahi sir, mujhe nahi." He said, "Okay." I almost got disappointed. So, you want to say something and then, or just read the chapter?
An actor prepares from a different book, different but no less, by Anupam Kher. One great learning for me from this experience is that if you can learn to compartmentalize your mind and avoid the spilling over of thoughts, you can do a lot more in life without becoming a sinkhole of anxiety and stress that pulls others into a similar state. Had Mr. Kher allowed the financial struggles to influence his mood and demeanor, it would have not only affected the creative process, but also everyone around him. And we all know what a fun time we had in the 4 years making the film. It is the job of a leader to protect the enthusiasm and motivation of each and every member. It may not be easy, but it is also not impossible. One has to find the technique to do it. And I believe Mr. Kher's method was to surround himself with people he loves and enjoy being around. So he invited not only his mother and his brother's family to stay for a few days, but also called in his childhood friends to spend time with him. Even his old roommate from NSD, actor Anand Desai, came over to become his roommate once again. This made me realize the power of the company one keeps. If you want to be content and happy, spend your time with people who are good-hearted and joyful. It is no surprise then that Mr. Kher has already received numerous messages from crew members urging him to start a new project simply because they want to relive the joy of being part of the Anupam Kher studio team once again. Most of them are top-tier professionals working with some of the highest and mightiest production houses in the industry. Yet, they admit that the experience just doesn't compare to what they felt while working on Tanvi the Great. Here, I would like to reiterate that this is an entirely unbiased account from someone who observed it all from just an arm's length away. That is probably why he asked me to do something I didn't even consider my strength, writing. But yet, he again taught me one more thing in life. You cannot win a game that you're not enjoying. Thank you, Mr. Kher, for everything.
Yeah, better than Bob, man.
Well done, man.
Yeah, absolutely. So we Mr.
Shall we launch the book and then
yeah.
let's launch the book.
Let's launch.
Everybody is nodding because everybody. There is one person. हाँ मैंने सोचा हुआ था but ठीक है. But there is one person who has I have nothing to do with in terms of friendship, in terms of spending time, in terms of even acting. But he's there on my functions and I don't know why. I want to ask him publicly, Gajraj. Why do you come to my?
Yeah, why?
Are the books ready for the? अच्छा सीधा उठानी है. हाँ? अब मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ. मैं आपको बहुत पसंद करता हूँ एज एन एक्टर. मैं आपको ज़्यादा एज ए इंसान भी आप अच्छे बहुत अच्छे हैं. बट आप हाँ प्लीज आप अब नहीं आप क्यों आते हैं?
सर दो चीजें हो सकती है, या तो मोहब्बत होती है या निठल्लापन होता है, तो दोनों का मिक्सचर है. अभी काम कम है, शूटिंग नहीं थी, लेकिन खैर साहब का जब भी मैसेज आता है किसी भी चीज के लिए, शो के लिए या कुछ, तो वो फिर उसमें इतना अपनापन होता है, कोई कि मैं बचपन से नहीं जानता हूँ, कोई ऐसी लंबी दोस्ती नहीं है, लेकिन तारीफें और प्यार दिल भर के करते हैं खैर साहब, और आप जगह बना लेते हैं उसके लिए.
नहीं और बोलिए, बहुत अच्छा करते हैं। नहीं बोलिए बोलिए।
नहीं नहीं, पर निठल्लेपन में बड़ा मजा है सर। निठल्लापन मतलब कि नहीं करना है, कुछ करना नहीं, करने को हो भी तब भी आप मना कर दोगे, नहीं जाते आज। खैर साहब ने बुलाया, ट्रैफिक बहुत जाम होगा, हम नहीं जाते हैं, तो वो निठल्लापन होता है। तो उसमें बहुत मजा है उस चीज का। लेकिन मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मेरे जैसे मोहब्बत करने वाले इतने सारे लोग आएंगे, क्योंकि मुंबई में खास प्रॉब्लम ही यही होती है ना कि ट्रैफिक बहुत है, बारिश बहुत है, फंस जाएंगे कि नहीं जाएं। लेकिन ये आपका बड़प्पन है खैर साहब कि आप स्पेस देते हैं। और आप, मैं शुरू से देख रहा हूँ पिछले 1 घंटे से कि एक एक इंडिविजुअल को आप, बमन साहब को छोड़ के आपने सबको एक्नॉलेज किया।
यहाँ जूही बैठी है, जूही बब्बर। तो जूही जब से पैदा हुई मैं तब से जानता हूँ उसको। आई सेंट हर ए मैसेज कि जूही मेरी पिक्चर देखना। शी सेंट मी अ मैसेज इन द मिडल ऑफ द नाइट। शी सेड, अनूप, माय मदर-इन-लॉ हैज फॉलन, नॉट वेल। मैं उनको बता के नहीं आई हूँ पिक्चर देखने, तो आप उनको बताना मत मैंने ये पिक्चर देखी, मैं खुद बताऊंगी। और फिर उन्होंने इतना खूबसूरत मैसेज भेजा मुझे, जो मैंने भट्ट साहब को भी फॉरवर्ड किया। और भट्ट साहब ने कहा कि उन्होंने लिखा है, उतना बोला है तो वो बहुत दिल से महसूस करती हैं। वहाँ तक बात खत्म नहीं हुई। कल रात को मुझे एक लव कपल का फोटोग्राफ आता है फ्रॉम अंधेरे से। ये खुद अपने हस्बैंड को भी लेके गई है पिक्चर दिखाने। Thank you, Juhi, for being so wonderful. Let's launch the book, and then we'll have some questions. If you feel like asking us, that's okay. But otherwise, I think we should launch the book. This has been one of the most beautiful afternoons that we've had. Thank you, Baman. You are the only one because of you. Thank you. आइए सर, आइए बच्चे, आइए। हमारे जो फिल्म के जितने भी लोग थे वो आई वुड लाइक देम टू कम। राजू आजा, वरुण, सर, वरुण प्लीज कम। नो, आई वांट यू टू कम, आई इंसिस्ट। सविता जी आपको बुलाना।
नीलम कहाँ? नीलम नीलम, चिंकी, जोशुआ, प्लीज कम। चलो ना यार, बड़ा मुश्किल है। अरमान, अभिषेक, ईशान, Raman, Abhishek, my other right hand is Arman. Abhishek. Shamit, come na stand here. Everybody, don't wait for your name to be called. ऐसे आ गए. आ जाओ प्रणय, सब लोग आ जाओ. शाबाश. I want to say that all of us are different but no less. भाई साहब आइए ना, क्या कर रहे हो? अरे last word पूरी करोगे यार. अब जिनको जाना है वो जा सकते हैं, जिनको मेरे से एक दो सवाल पूछने हैं वो रुक सकते
हेलो 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 अब ये बंद कर दिए, ये एम्बियंस बंद कर दिए, मालूम है क्यों? तो हूँ करके आवाज़ आएगी, ठीक है। हाँ ये चालू है, ये स्टेटस है, इस पर तुम फटाक से देख सकते हो। और इस पे रखने का 20 तक रखने का, अभी इसको कम करो और बढ़ाओ। हेलो 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 हेलो, आवाज़ अब तो आवाज़ नहीं पटेगी, आवाज़ पटेगी नहीं, ठीक है। ये तो ये वाइट बैलेंस का होगा, इसको डिस्प्ले एक मिनट।
So I don't write
हेलो
वाइट बैलेंस मार रहा है। हाँ?
बता रहा था रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है।
and then I give it to my editor, and he sends me, and then I wanted it to be funny. The book has to be funny because when you're talking about a so-called disaster happening or about to happen, you have to look at it from a sense of humor. Actually, it did not take more than 6 to 7 months actually, because we were simultaneously making the film and simultaneously writing the film. We were supposed to come and publish the book about a month before the release, but we got delayed because there was some proofreading, some pictures ka problem tha, ye tha, but not more than 8 months. And it's a nice compact kind of a book. I've been very loyal, I'm lovingly loyal to Hey How. I always heart to it. Thank you. Jeev.
क्या सीखा आपने बनाने पे और नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट कब अनाउंस होगा एज अ डायरेक्टर नॉट एज एन एक्टर?
मैंने क्या सीखा एज एन एक्टर और एज ए डायरेक्टर? That every story has its own narration. You can't decide this is how I want to tell the story. And जैसे मैं हमेशा एक्टिंग में हमेशा कहता हूँ कि दो किस्म के एक्टर होते हैं, एक जो महसूस करते हैं, और अगर जो महसूस करते हैं वो वैसा महसूस करके कैमरा के सामने कर देते हैं तो वो कन्विंसिंग हो। इसलिए हर उस एक्टर की पहली फिल्म चलती है जिसकी पहली फिल्म होती है, बिकॉज ही और शी इज फीलिंग एवरीथिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, एंड देन ऑल देयर लाइफ दे ट्राई टू रिकैप्चर व्हाट वाज द original feeling that I felt, the magic. The second thing is that once you learn the acting, then you add craft into it. So I had no idea. I had not done short vision. I felt that the film needs to move because Tanvi is a wanderer. Her mind wanders. Her mind goes from one place to another. It is not a static film. And that's how I did. So what I learned was stick to the truth. It will always resonate with the people.
As a director.
Oh! There are already few stories going on. I have to finish 2-3 films as an actor, and I'm looking forward to them. But next year, I'm thinking of a bigger film, bigger canvas, and bigger story. Thank you.
Yeah, Anupam.
Yes.
Anupam here, Jyoti.
Jyoti.
What gives you the creative satisfaction more, an actor's job or a director's
Or
job?
director's job. It's the difference between somebody who serves the food and somebody who cooks the food. I think so. I think because I loved it. Because मुझे नहीं पता था जब मैंने पहले बनाई थी फिल्म तो I was working for somebody else because there was a producer there. Over here, Rohit will make my life miserable. ये color palette इसके साथ जा रहा है. अब मुझे क्या पता color palette क्या होता है? Urvi will come. Shumaki, come and sit here. Urvi will come and sort of say, "Is this color matching? No, this is not okay." And I had because I had perfectionists on the sets as my technicians. It was so difficult. Then I used to sometimes pretend, no, this red is not going with this one. And I'm actually buying time because मुझे समझ नहीं है. But the biggest contributor which we totally forgot to mention today is Mr. M.M. Keeravani sir. The magician of this film is M.M. Kareem, the one who gave the soul to this film. I first composed the music, we first composed the music and then we shot it. So that decision, dialogue में ऊपर नीचे अभिषेक और अंकुर आते थे, हम best hotels में रहे, best खाना हमने खाया, because I don't eat alone. As a habit, I can't eat alone. So I have to find people to sit with me. And I had every time somebody or the other who were there to eat with me. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I just asked a question before giving it to them.
Haan ji,
First of all, it's Kabir here from the Free Press Journal. It's great to see, I can say, two giants on the stage. Going over to my question is for Anupam sir. ये रॉबर्ट डी नीरो या बॉब को आप क्रॉसवर्ड कब ले आएंगे ताकि वी कैन कम बैक फॉर दैट?
कुछ भी हो सकता है. मुझसे भी इन्होंने एक सवाल पूछा था अगली फिल्म क्या होगी, तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. आज मैं इतना ही कहूँगा. और जायंट्स वाज यूज्ड फॉर हिम ना.
बोथ ऑफ यू.
अच्छा फॉर. यस. यस मैम.
Hi, Anupam, you are a storyteller. I would like to know what kind of stories or books you like to read. Thank you.
At one time, it sounds like an exaggerated thing. In today's time, I had a collection of 14,000 books. Yeah, that's the first book that I ever read was Maxim Gorky's Mom. उन दिनों इंडो-सोवियत कल्चरल एक्सचेंज के उपरांत वो किताबें ट्रांसलेट होती थी. So my Tanvi's grandfather, which is my chacha, he gave me my first book at 8th standard. Then I used to go all over the place. पुरानी दुकानों में मैं किताबें खरीदता था. Unfortunately, in 2006, when that cloudburst happened in Bombay, my whole office got submerged in it, and I lost most of my books. But not that all those books that I read, but I think I must have read a lot of, except for science. Kind of a technology science, I read everything that comes my way. Yeah, I like it. अब थोड़ा कम कर दिया पढ़ना, पर मुझे दुख होता है. but मुझे पढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. हाँ जी बोलिए. Yeah, Mike देना.
I have this question with almost every director that I work with. On what basis? I mean, this is your baby, this was your thought process. On what basis do you choose us? By us, I mean to say the technicians that you want for life.
In my first meeting, I decided that I want to work with this person, and it's not based on the brilliance of the person. It is my vibe. If I like the person, then I will somehow or the other work out something or the other. Of course, I've seen your work, means I had seen your work earlier, but it is the vibe which sort of connects me. And otherwise, you may be the most brilliant, you means anybody may be the most brilliant person, but if I don't like the person, I will never be able to work. Why go through the torture? आइए भैया जी, बस खत्म कर रहे हैं।
Thank you, sir and women sir, for the amazing evening we had. During your conversation, I heard this remarkable line: "Exhausted the limits of the possible, but not stop." So the only thing that is existing after that is hope. So there is a resilience journey which one has to go through, and in that state of hope, how does one feel? And since what can be next in that phase of hope, and requesting to make some more films on a very sensitive topic in people's journey on the road to resilience and success.
I think Baman is a filmmaker. Baman is working. I think, why don't you answer this question about hope in terms of? Can you repeat the question? He said that in resilience and everything, hope plays a very important role.
I'm a man who can get bored very easily. So I find ways and means to occupy my mind with something that satisfies me. So I'm always looking forward to something. I'm planning ahead, whether it's a holiday, whether it's something like this, whether it's writing a book for my own, or writing my next script, or making my next movie. If you're not looking forward to something, you've shut out hope from your life. So I'm always looking, at least 2 years, 3 years from now, what's going to be my next 3 years. I'm not saying it like planning critically, but just look ahead of what is going to make you happy. And creativity makes me very, very happy. There's nothing more exciting for me than to create something. If I'm not creating anything, whether it's writing a WhatsApp message, whether it's coming up here and making having fun and having an evening that we can all say, yeah, we had fun. We saw camaraderie. There's a certain amount of friendship, love, and creativity in any small thing that you do. And that gives me hope.
Hello, Anupam sir. Hello, sir here.
हाँ जी.
सबसे पहले तो आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. Huge congratulations. आप एक लेखक हैं, आप एक शिक्षक हैं, आप एक स्पीकर हैं. कभी आपके करियर में कुछ ऐसा वक्त आया जब आपको लगा कि आपकी अलग सोच ही सबसे बड़ी ताकत है?
हाँ, मेरे ख्याल से इसीलिए शायद इस किताब का नाम है डिफरेंट बट नो लेस. आदमी ऐसे जिंदगी जीता नहीं है कि मेरी ये सोच थी. आप जब पीछे अपनी लाइफ को देखते हैं कि सोचते हैं कि हाँ, ये मैंने ऐसा सोचा था, मैंने ऐसा किया था. मुझे लगता है कि हर इंसान अलग है, और उसके लिए मेरे पास एक बड़ा साइंटिफिक सा हम अपनी ज़िंदगी को ऐसे फिर जीना लगते हैं, उसको ऑर्डिनरी बना देते हैं. आपके फिंगरप्रिंट्स दुनिया में किसी से नहीं मिलते हैं, इसका मतलब आप स्पेशल हैं, आप अलग हैं. हमको उसको पहचानना है. हम फेलियर के फियर से बहुत डरते हैं. मेरे को फेलियर का फियर नहीं है. मैं अपसेट होता हूँ, मैं डिप्रेस्ड होता हूँ, उदास होता हूँ, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट होता हूँ, तकलीफ भी होती है, मगर मैं आई डोंट गिव अप, बिकॉज गिविंग अप इज नॉट नेवर ए चॉइस.
Hi.
जी.
Many congratulations to you, sir. I'm Professor Amisha Dauda. I'll just give you a brief about myself. I'm with NMI Miss University into the research part, also PhD scholar with Jamnalal Bajaj in digital marketing and organizational psychologist. And we run different kind of brands in jewelry and like especially handmade, and we support women empowerment. Viksit Bharat, so I sit on that panel also. This event is fabulous. Many congratulations. Now my question comes to you. Like I've seen there are a lot of suicide cases happening among teenagers, And you know, they are actually into that, you know, they don't even listen to their parents, they get influenced easily. How can your book be a great source of inspiration for them? And can this book also be a part of the vocational course?
Ma'am, I don't want to divert the attention of a very beautiful book launch.
Okay.
By a serious subject like this, it needs a complete extra. I don't want to undermine your brilliant question by being flimsy about and give an answer which is not necessarily the right answer at this stage. Right now, it's a very important topic you've raised, but I want to celebrate what we had, the kind of evening that we had. Bye, Ma. Take care. Love you.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Thank you so much.
Atika ji.
So both of you have directed a movie. He's turned a director just a few months ago, and this is your second movie. You know, when you work with the best in the cinematic world, अभी आपने बोला ख्वाजा अहमद अब्बास रिव्यूज लिखते थे, उसमें आपकी फिल्म का रिव्यू लिखा होगा।
मेरा पहला बेस्ट रिव्यू लिखा था प्ले का।
हाँ, जस्ट इमेजिन आप जिन लोगों के साथ काम किया होता है, कभी-कभी आपको लगता है कि मैं तो वहाँ से आ रहा हूँ, मेरी वो लेगेसी है। मुझे एक तरह से चाहे वो लोग दुनिया में हो या नहीं हो, ऐसा लगता है उनको भी मुझे मुंह दिखाना है, मेरा काम ऐसा होना चाहिए। मैं दिलीप कुमार साहब के साथ शूट करती थी, अब मैं एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाती हूँ कि मैं कैसे बदलूँ, राह बदलूँ या अडैप्ट करूँ या व्हाटएवर इज द वर्ड। जब आप कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट, डायरेक्टर इज यू द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप व्हेन यू द डायरेक्टर एंड यू हैव डन हाउ मेनी 500 फिल्म्स, ओवर 500 फिल्म्स, आपको अपने पुराने डायरेक्टर्स की जो छाप होती है, क्या अपने काम में बेसाख्ता नजर आती है कि अरे महेश भट्ट ने ऐसे किया था या फलाने ने ऐसे किया था, या फिर वो जो आपकी स्ट्रगल होती है ना टू क्रिएट समथिंग न्यू बट कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम अ लेगेसी ऑफ 500 फिल्म्स, उस सफर के बारे में बताएं।
अतिका, सीखने का ना मापदंड नहीं होता है। जो मैंने आज सीखा है वो हो सकता है मुझे 20 साल बाद पता लगे कि मैंने तब 20 साल पहले ये सीखा था। आदमी जब सीखता है, दैट्स व्हाई लर्निंग इज वेरी साइलेंट, चेंज इज वेरी साइलेंट, एंड इट्स ओनली व्हेन यू अप्लाई दैट टू योर लाइफ यू डिस्कवर दैट। हालांकि भट्ट साहब का कमाल का तरीका होता था। भट्ट साहब बोलते थे, ही नेवर यूज्ड टू से ऐसे एक्टिंग करो, ही यूज्ड टू से जैसे ही विल से टेल मी फील इमोशनली एक्सपोज्ड। इमोशनली एक्सपोज्ड की मेरी अपनी इंटरप्रिटेशन है। सुभाष जी बोलते थे सेलिब्रेट लाइफ, यश जी बोलते थे अपने अंदाज से, दिवाकर बाकी लोग अपने अपने अंदाज से, बट टाइम लगता है। और अब मुझे लगता है कि चाय पी जाए, बट थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आप अंकुर सुमन जी हमारे राइटर सवाल पूछ रहे हैं तो कैसे नहीं पूछ सकते, ये आखिरी सवाल है इनका। अच्छा, एक बेटा, दो लोग हैं बस, एक इनका और फिर आपका। बोलो बेटा।
सर, आप दोनों के लिए सवाल है।
हाँ।
सर, आप दोनों ने जब ये अपना करियर चालू किया था, तभी का जमाने में आप लोग का था और आज का जमाना, आप लोगों को क्या डिफरेंस?
बेटा, मैं तो आज के ज़माने का हूँ, हम तो ज़माने से चले आ रहे हैं। तब दोस्तियाँ ज़्यादा आसानी से बन जाती थी, वैन्स नहीं होती थी, मेकअप वैन्स नहीं होती थी, मोबाइल फोन्स नहीं होते थे, रिश्ते होते थे, बातचीत होती थी, एक सवाल पूछता था दूसरा जवाब देता था, दोस्तियाँ बनती थी। बट आई थिंक वी मैनेज्ड इट। ज़माना तो हम अभी के भी है। अंकुर, कैन यू? यस।
मेरा सवाल नहीं है, मैं एक चीज़ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। जब इस किताब के बारे में सर ने बताया, ये पता चला कि कितना चैलेंजेस थे और कितने प्रेशर्स थे, और हमें ये बात बहुत बाद में ओब्वियसली पता चली, लेकिन वो जो शूटिंग के दिन थे वो हमारी ज़िंदगी के सबसे खुशनुमा दिन थे। हम लोगों ने रोज़ डिनर पे वर्ड प्ले गेम खेला, हम रोज़ मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जाते थे, मजाक करते थे, हंसते थे, कोई भी दिन प्रेशर वाला नहीं होता था, चाहे कैसा भी हो। सो ये एक एंडोर्समेंट है, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ एंडोर्समेंट है, एंड इट्स आल्सो कमिंग फ्रॉम अ सेंस ऑफ वंडर दैट हाउ डिड सर मैनेज दिस, that he kept all of us, 250-300 people were happy on that set in spite of him being exposed to so much of pressure and difficult challenges. So ये book जो है हम सब ने जी है, हम जितने भी लोग तन्वी द ग्रेट के पार्ट है, ये इसका एक एक पन्ना हम लोगों ने जिया है। So इसमें आई थिंक जो चीज़ें हैं वो सिर्फ कहने के लिए नहीं है, वो एक्चुअली हम लोगों ने देखा है। the strength that you can take even if you are under pressure, don't let it affect others, and you can still be a source of happiness to everyone. So please read this book, it's a wonderful Thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone.